Hello, everybody. Good morning. Today, for a change, I am going to talk about the sector, that is the automobile sector, and not about any particular company. Uh, I will be talking about the current trends that which are seeing within the automobile sector. It is different segments. First of all, I would like to talk about two-wheeler segments. In that segment, we are seeing a good supply. There are no supply issues as such, but the demand is not that great. I mean, if you compare last year's August September times, then there was a lot of pent up demand which had all of a sudden opened up because the opening of the markets after 3 months of rigorous lockdown of April, May, and June. So after that, in August and September, we have seen a very strong growth on a month-on-month as well as a year-on-year basis. But now this year, on a year-on-year basis, we are not seeing a very strong growth. That is because the prices of two-wheelers have also shot up since last year, since the BS6 was implemented. Then there were some regulatory and safety norms because under which two-wheelers had to incur higher prices, and also the input costs have gone up since then. That's why the companies had taken a lot of price hikes. So that's why the affordability in the two-wheeler segment is an issue as of now. Then moving on to passenger vehicles, all passenger vehicles, especially the higher end SUVs, etc., are facing a lot of issue from the semiconductor non-availability. So countries which are supplying semiconductors all over the world, Germany, Italy, Europe, other European countries, South Asian countries, Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia, Vietnam, Taiwan, etc., are facing a production crunch, and that is impacting the automobile industry. So going forward, we are not sure, or the managements are also not very much sure that when will that issue get cleared. So that's why the demand is very strong, but the production is an issue. Then moving on to three wheelers, even in three wheelers, the price hikes taken last year are impacting the affordability. Also, the fuel prices have shot up significantly. That is also impacting their demand. Then moving on to tractors, tractor demand is still there. I mean, last year was a very strong year for tractors where the industry grew up by about 27%. So on the base of that, definitely we'll be seeing some sort of normalization or consolidation this year. So, but still we believe that it will be a growth close to about mid single digit. Supply is not an issue over there because high tech chips, microchips are not very much required in tractors. Then moving on to commercial vehicles, wherein commercial vehicles also the demand is good, the economy is reviving, mining activities, construction activities, real estate, all are gaining a lot of traction. But over there also there is some sort of issue coming from the supply side, on the MHCV side especially. So but still it will be a good year for them because last year first half was absolutely washed out and the numbers started improving in the second half. So this year also we are seeing a good month on month as well as year on year growth in both MHCVs as well as LCVs. So it should be a good year for the commercial vehicles. So that is it. Like to sum it up, I would say that the supply crunch is there on the passenger vehicle as well as commercial vehicle side, but the demand is good for both passenger vehicle and commercial vehicle side. So as soon as the supply issue gets sorted, we can see a good revival in both these sectors. And the two wheelers is a bit of a concern because supply is also there, and the demand is not picking up as per expectations. That's it. Thank you.